You have probably seen these two very different modes in your own classroom. On one side, a student is exhausted, slumping over a desk. On the other, a student is full of energy, sprinting down a track. That drastic difference in daily energy doesn't usually come down to how much sleep they got or how much they like the subject. The secret to that physical energy is sitting right on their lunch plate. Think of the human body as an incredibly advanced, high-performance machine. It has complex internal systems, moving parts, and a central computer working around the clock. Just like a sophisticated sports car or a spacecraft, your body cannot run on an empty tank, and it certainly cannot perform well if you fill it with the wrong grade of fuel. Learning exactly what to put into your tank is the single most effective way to control how you feel, how clearly you think, and how fast you can move. A balanced diet provides 5 essential nutrients. Carbohydrates from wheat give instant energy. Proteins from milk repair your chassis. Fats from nuts act as reserve batteries. Vitamins and minerals from vegetables prevent breakdowns. Finally, fiber and water flush waste to keep pipes clear. A high-performance body does not rely on just one of these parts. It requires the precise, daily coordination of all 5 fuel types working together in perfect harmony. So, what happens to this machine if you completely remove one of those essential fuels for a long period of time? Your body develops what doctors call deficiency diseases. A deficiency disease is a severe physical disorder caused directly by the prolonged lack of a single specific nutrient in your diet. For example, if you stop eating foods rich in vitamin A, your body's optical sensors begin to fail. This leads to a dangerous condition known as night blindness, where the eyes literally lose their ability to process dim light. If your tank runs completely out of iron, your blood loses its ability to carry oxygen from your lungs to your muscles. This results in anemia, leaving you in a state of constant, heavy exhaustion. And a severe lack of the mineral iodine disrupts the thyroid gland, your body's metabolic control center. This causes the front of the neck to dangerously swell, a condition called goiter. Skipping even a microscopic trace mineral can cause catastrophic hardware failures throughout the human body. To avoid these breakdowns, many people reach for packaged snacks, but junk food is a biological deception. It is a fake fuel that mimics premium energy while quietly damaging the engine. Packaged junk foods are loaded with extreme amounts of sugar and fat, but they are entirely stripped of the vitamins, minerals, and proteins your cells actually need to survive and rebuild. This line graph shows the immediate biological reaction to consuming fake fuel. Because there is no structural nutrition to pace the digestion, you experience a massive temporary energy spike that is immediately followed by a severe, exhausting crash that leaves your engine sputtering. Unable to use this empty fuel to build muscle or repair tissue, your body simply stores it as excess weight. Over time, this forces the engine to work harder just to move, resulting in obesity. Eating junk food trades your long-term health and physical mobility for a few fleeting minutes of empty energy. Every calorie in your body connects you to a global network of production. To find the source of your energy, we have to look past your own cells and trace these ingredients back to the farm. Real food takes time. Before a staple crop like wheat reaches your kitchen, farmers spend months preparing the soil, managing the irrigation, and laboring in the fields to harvest the grains by hand. This map illustrates the concept of food miles. Food miles refer to the toil distance a single ingredient travels from the farm where it was grown, through processing facilities, and finally onto a consumer's dinner plate. Long food miles carry a heavy environmental cost. The trucks, ships, and trains required to move that food across the country burn massive amounts of diesel, releasing severe air pollution into the atmosphere. Scraping uneaten food into the trash discards the energy your body needs, along with the months of human labor, the fresh water, and the massive transport emissions required to put that meal on the plate. A single meal represents a massive investment of the Earth's resources. That makes personal food waste an issue that directly impacts the health of the entire planet. Your personal health and the health of the planet are deeply connected. Choosing what you eat mindfully protects your internal systems and Earth's finite resources at the same time. You can put this into practice right now. Step 1. Plan your plate. Make sure you are serving yourself a colorful, balanced mix of instant energy grains, structural proteins, and vitamin-rich vegetables. Step 2. Read the labels on your food. Look past the bright packaging and check the ingredients to ensure you aren't falling into the empty calorie trap of fake fuel. Step 3. Serve yourself only what you know you can finish to eliminate food waste. And Step 4. Buy locally grown food to cut down on those polluting food miles. You are the ultimate driver of your own high-performance machine. The choices you make in the cafeteria determine how well that machine operates. Fuel your body with the right balance of nutrients, and you ensure the energy to stay strong, run fast, and keep the planet green.